Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of Khan Academy. We click on settings, then we can click on apps, default apps, app settings. When above we can search about Khan Academy, then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Then we'll enter to the window of storage. Here you can click on clear cache. Then we'll go to Play Store. We'll search about Khan Academy and then you can update your app. If you find updates here, so please don't forget to support us, bell like and subscribe.